Otra cancioncita, amigos, ojalá que sí les agrade, que sí les guste, amigos. Vámonos con mi casa nueva.
Oh, I love these tianguis. Everything is so fresh. Cheeses, fruit, vegetables, nuts, coffee, everything. Shrimp. Oh, here we go. Gotta get a little shrimp. Gotta get a little shrimpy shrimp. Good morning, everyone. Lance Style, the Tequila Professor, and Uncharted Mexico now. Here we are. Not too uncharted. I'm here in the Ajic, Lake Chapala area. So this is how it is with these cobblestone streets. We're gonna go take a walk down to the local tianguis that they have on Wednesdays. So I'll cut in and out of this for you. But there's the main street going down to Ajic, and Lake Chapala goes down that way and other areas. So it's really the closer you get on the other side of that road, the roads get narrower and narrower and narrower as you go towards the lake. And it's like an old Italian village down there. Italian towns, Spain, old Europe. It's really cool. And you got just about everything. That goes down to Lake Chapala. You got a lot of the dog walkers out today. Oops, I gotta watch myself. You got two little side roads here. And that goes to Lake Chapala, so the Malacon. And then this heads down. I'm gonna head down to, this heads towards Ajic. Other areas down that way. And really cool, got a lot of great little restaurants. Grupo Modelo, which I love. Modelo's a fantastic beer. Yep, we got a little street sounds here. So anyway, I'm gonna walk down and we'll get back to this. We begin. Hola. Now the tianguis begins. Ooh, got a cool camel place here. Everything camel. Avocados, aguacates. Here we go. My fourth time here, and they've got everything. It's really long. It goes for a long way down these streets and then a few side streets. So they have everything here. Huevos, rocas, wonderful people having tacos, clothes. Look at all the different nuts. All the different type of nuts here. Tacos here are great. Lots of chiles. Lots of chiles. So I'll come in and out because I got to search for some stuff myself. Got to search for some masa, pre-made masa, because I'm too lazy to make it. pre-made masa for tamales. I'll check in with you. Found my masa de tamales. Hola, hola. So I will pick some up. And I have it. I'm going to attempt to make tamales for the first time in my life. I already have the filling done. So I came down here. Too lazy to make it. It's just 25 pesos, so definitely worth it for my labors. I'll go down a little bit farther. Just lanced out for Uncharted, Mexico. We're at the end of the road of the tianguis. Get your chicken, fresh chickens. And that's it. Another Uncharted adventure. Lanced out the tequila professor. See you all later.